In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create labels on Jira. Labels are an excellent way to categorize and organize issues, making it easier to locate and track tasks within your projects. To get started, open up the project where you'd like to create these labels. If you're unsure which project you're working in, Jira's user-friendly interface should help you identify the correct one quickly. Once you're in the right project, you'll want to navigate to the top of the screen and click on the Issues tab. This will take you to a list of all the issues associated with your project. Next, find the specific issue you want to label. You might have many issues listed, so take advantage of Jira's search and filter features to locate the right one more efficiently. This can save you a considerable amount of time, especially if you're working within a large project with numerous issues. Once you've clicked into your chosen issue, you'll need to search for the Labels field, which is typically located in the Details section. The placement of the Details section can vary slightly depending on your configuration, but it's usually easy to spot once you're familiar with the layout. If you're not seeing the Details section immediately, try scrolling down or reviewing any collapsible menus within the issue. Now, in the Labels field, click to activate it. This is where you'll type in the label you want to create for the issue. Think about what makes a label effective. They should be concise yet descriptive enough to serve their purpose of improving searchability and organization. Once you've typed in your desired label, simply press enter on your keyboard. This action will save the label and immediately apply it to the selected issue. It's important to remember that labels in Jira can be really instrumental in managing your workflow. They allow for efficient sorting and filtering, which can increase productivity significantly. For example, if you use a label consistently across various projects, you can use Jira's filtering feature to pull all issues with this label, giving you an immediate overview without manually searching through each project. Congratulations, you've now added a label to an issue in Jira, making it easier to organize and access your workflow efficiently. Feel free to repeat this process for other issues within your project to maintain a well-structured system. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and more accessible for you. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on maximizing your use of Jira and other productivity tools.